And today we're playing in the front yard with the world famous Buckster. That's right, we're going to be firing this little baby up here. We're going to try to dig some of these rocks up. We're even going to try to flip one of these big old stones if you're in for it. Let's see how capable this RC front end loader really is. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to get him going. Alright, let's see if old Buckster here can dig. Starting to get the controls a little bit better. It only takes a minute to figure it all out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, and you see that stone right there? That big flagstone or stepping stone? I'm going to try to actually flip it. See if we can pull it out of the ground. Not too bad, we were actually able to pick it up. Alright, so what I'm going to do is save you guys the misery. I'm going to go ahead and put this stone right there in the bucket like so. We're going to see how high we can lift it up. Not too bad. As you can tell, that's a pretty heavy stone. Way more than the 7 pounds that's advertised that the old Buckster can pick up. Alright, so here's another challenge for the Buckster. See this bucket of water? I'm fairly sure all that water weighs more than 7 pounds. Let's see. Can we pick this up? Oops. So as you can see, it's pretty strong. I gotta even lift all this water up. But anyway, this is the Laegendary Buckster. It has metal parts everywhere, metal arms, metal bucket. It's got these thick rubber wheels. It can pick up, it says 7 pounds on the box, but obviously it can do quite a bit better than 7 pounds. And it's just a really fun, capable RC. This is one of those pieces of RC construction equipment that you can actually dig and move dirt and flip stones and have a good time. It doesn't click, it doesn't pop, it just keeps going and going. Really fun little RC. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.